Why your face like that? What? What's that? Tell me. Tell me. You have a mouth. I don't want. I want to hear.
Where's my pool?
What about the swimming pool?
I'll swim.
You want to swim? Until what time? 5 minutes?
No.
Thousand hours? So you will not eat, you will not sleep, you just only swimming to make your skin getting rough and swollen. You like that?